Welcome to latest top 10. Today we will talk about top 10 shocking facts of Brunei you probably didn't know. So let's start. Number 10. Brunei has an entire settlement supported by stilts on a river, often dubbed as Venice of the East. The Kampong Air is a historical settlement of the Brunei River as it flows past the Bandar Seri Begawan city. The most interesting feature of this settlement is that it is built on the river and houses and other buildings supported by stilts standing on the water. People go to shop and eat food on the hotels made on these river floats. Number 9. River taxi. You must have visited many times in taxis in your city, but in Brunei there are some different kind of one. There are river taxi. Yes, you heard it right. Besides car as the main mode of transport, the next most common form of vehicle to get out of one about to another Brunei is neither trams nor buses, but boats. Over out of brief 4 days in Brunei, we took approximately 15 rides. It cost only 50 cents per person across the river and few dollars to ground rivers by taxis. Number 8. Only one McDonald's in Brunei. McDonald's is one of the global leading food chain company in the world. Company has estimated that 109 countries celebrated in its branches. But in Brunei, there is only one McDonald's. But the citizens are not deprived of other fast food goodness. Plenty of KFCs and local fast food restaurants such as Imaku dot the small nation. Number 7. Most beautiful mosque in Brunei. Brunei's mosques are well known for their beauty and elegance. Traditional and futuristic elements are perfectly blended in the architecture of these mosques. For example, the Omar Al Saifuddin Mosque used a mixture of Mughal and Malay elements in its design. It has carpets from Saudi Arabia and chandeliers from Britain. The Ash Shahi Lane Mosque in Brunei looks like a mosque in Marrakesh, Morocco. The country also has mosques that stands on the stilts on river, as you can see in this video. Number 6. Proboscis monkey. Named after their unusual nose, are endemic to Borneo. The strange pot-bellied primates like to sit on the mangroves. If you are Bandar Seri Begawan, you can take a safari reach in the monkeys or head to the Taman Persian Demo Park and try to spot some of the trees in the river island. Number 5. Brunei has the largest residential palace in the world. The Istanara Nurul Iman is the former residence of Brunei Sultan. It also serves as the seat of the country's government. The place is located in the picturesque landscape of the banks of the Brunei River. The palace has 1,788 rooms, 257 bathrooms, a mosque, a garage with space for 110 cars, 5 swimming pools, a massive banquet hall, and more. The total floor space of the palace is about 2,152,000 square feet, which makes it world's largest residential palace as per the Guinness World Records. Number 4. Japan occupied Brunei after they bombed Pearl Harbor. In December 1941, Japan entered World War II by bombing Pearl Harbor. Immediately afterward, they attacked the island of Borneo to access the oil reserve in Sarawak and Brunei. Both countries were British protectorates but had no sea or air defense and only a small detachment of the Punjab regiment to secure the area. The British had, however, taken the precaution of filling the oil wells in concrete September 1941. On hearing the invasion of Pearl Harbor, all equipment of the oil fields and refinery in Sarawak was destroyed. By the end of the war, Japan had only managed to regain half pre-war oil production level. Number 3. Alcohol is forbidden in Brunei. Brunei is one of the most observed countries in Asia. An interesting Brunei fact is that no alcohol may be sold or publicly consumed. Non-Muslims are permitted to bring maximum of 2 liters of alcohol into the country. The Muslim holy month of Ramadan is started with the public holiday, and eating in public during the day is forbidden. Number 2. Brunei passed a law in 2014 making homosexuality a crime punishable by 10 years in prison. But after 5 years in 2019, it was announced that penalty would be death by stoning. Number 1. The Sultan of Brunei is world's second longest reigning current monarch. Hassan al-Bolkiah, the current reigning monarch of Brunei, ascended the throne on October 5, 1967. With over 50 years of rule, he is world's second longest reigning current monarch of Queen Elizabeth II of Britain. The Sultan of Brunei is one of the wealthiest person in the world. The net worth of Sultan Haji Hassan Lal Bolkiah is estimated at $20 billion by making him one of the wealthiest person in the world. He has passion for high performance cars and his collection of over 7,000 is said to include 600 Rolls-Royce, over 300 Ferraris. Some of his vehicles have probably lasted longer than his wife's. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If it is your lunch time, go to lunch. If it is dinner time, go to dinner. But before that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you.